guys, it's Lacey, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my individual lash clusters. And let's get started. So I hold everything inside of my Cheetah Prince makeup bag. This has everything from everything that I need to do my face. It's split up into two little sections. I got like makeup stuff over here. Then this is like all for eyes. Lashes, brows, eyeliner, anything that has to do with the eyes over here. And this is like for face. So I have a couple different lash clusters that I use. These are IMB individuals. This is some brand. I don't know. I'm kind of at the end of these. I use these to like put on the corners. And then these give me like a dense look by Faux Mink. I don't know. This is how this one looks. And then I have a bunch of different like actual strip lashes, but I have a hard time putting those on, so I don't really wear those. And I do clusters for like if I want longevity and I want like a more professional look, I'll do the clusters. I use a variety of different glues and I kind of put them all together. So for the first one, this is the V-Lux by IMB Extended Bond and Sealer. It's a two-sided applicator, so the gold side is the bond and then the silver side is the sealer. I'm kind of running low on this, and then I use the exact same brand, and this is the overnighter. It's basically once you put the individual lash clusters on with this, between every day or before you go to sleep, you're supposed to like brush this on your lash clusters right before you go to sleep. But sometimes I use it as the actual glue because it's the exact same. So you can put this on to apply the clusters, put this on overnight, and then seal it both times with the sealer. This is also the same brand, but it's their long-lasting individual adhesive waterproof clear lash glue. It looks like this in a small little container. I go back and forth between all three of these to get my desired look. Slanted tweezers on one side, and then it has a spoolie on this side. You cannot forget a mirror. The first thing I do is I take my spoolie. Let me change the camera angle. It's only gonna be my eyes, but you guys should be able to like hear me talk. I spoolie my lashes out and like spread them out a little bit. I'm gonna take these lashes right here, and then I'm gonna take the tweezers to take them off. And then I'm gonna take the gold side of the bonder. I'm gonna take the lash and then I'll apply some glue to it. Just a little bit. I'm gonna only put the bond on the bottom of my lash. Like I'm not gonna like sweep it through. I'm gonna only put it at the root. I'm gonna take the lash that I already applied glue to, and I'm gonna put it on the outside corner and work my way in. I'm gonna apply the lashes, and then that's it. This is the difference between this eye that has lashes, this eye that doesn't. These are just the ones that I just showed you. These are only these. That's how that eye looks. And then I'm gonna do what I did to this eye, to this eye. This is both eyes done. And now since they're done, I go along the root of the lashes and I do a slight pinch to make sure that they're together. Nothing should be sticky, and if nothing should be coming off. Like none of the lashes should come off and be stuck to your finger. This is the completed look. And when I'm done, I like to go in with the clear side. Apply that to the root of my lashes. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And you guys already know. Until next time, Big Lacy out.